Stage 2-5, Boat Harbour. Alright, let's do it. 170, easy left crest, over crest and downhill. Medium left at Y and a bridge. Alright, 30 seconds. 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 170, easy left over crest, downhill to medium left at Y. 100, easy left over crest, downhill into medium left at Y. Medium left right here. Under a bridge. Okay.
Turn on the meat car, I'm too busy. Okay, let's
700, hard right long uphill. 500, hard right long uphill. 300, hard right long uphill. 200. 100. Hard right long uphill. 1800, crest and a medium right long downhill. 1000, crest and a medium right long downhill. 700, crest and a medium right long downhill. 500, crest and a medium right long downhill. 300, crest and a medium right long downhill. 200. 100, crest and a medium right long downhill. So right there, medium right long downhill. 400, slight right, very slight right. 300, slight right. 200, not even it yet. 100, right there is nothing. 2100, medium left exposure. A lot is there. 2000, medium left exposure. 1000, medium left exposure. 700, medium left exposure. 500, medium left exposure. 300, medium left exposure. 200. 100, medium left exposure. 1100, caution, hard right on the bridge. 1000, caution, hard right on the bridge. 700, caution, hard right on the bridge. 500, caution, hard right on the bridge. 300, caution, hard right on the bridge. 200. Okay.
That means for us.
100. It's off on the right. Looks good. Okay, he's good. He's good. We'll go when you're ready. 6,000, hard left long. 6,000, hard left long. 1,000 hard left long. 4,000 hard left long.
We're man, just trying to dodge the fucking water.
Nah, do what you gotta do, man. It's pretty bad out there. It's all good. Hard left long. Hard left long. 1,000 hard left long. 700 hard left long. 500 hard left long. 300 hard left long. 200. 100 hard left long. 2,000 long press and the easy left downhill. 2,000 long press and the easy left downhill. 1,000 long press and easy left downhill. 700 long press and easy left downhill. 500 long press and easy left downhill.
Okay, we're doing fucking radar, right?
300 long press and easy left downhill. 200. 100 easy left downhill. Right here, easy left downhill. 1,400 slight right over crest. 1,000 slight right over crest. We're up by about 10.
Up or down?
Up. Up. To the good. 700 slight right over crest. 500 slight right over crest. 300 slight right over crest. 200. 100. Right now, slight right over crest. 360 hard left long. 300 hard left long. 200. 100 hard left long. 1,000 easy right, then hard left long, and the hard right.
What was that one?
700 easy right, then hard left long, and the hard right. I'll give you one at a time when we get in it. 500 easy right, then hard left long, and the hard right. 300 easy right, then hard left long, and the hard right. 200. 100 easy right, and the hard left. See hard left coming up. And the hard right. Hard right up here. 1,600 over causeway and the medium right double apex. We're up about 20. 1,000 over causeway and a medium right long, double apex. 700 over causeway and a medium right long, double apex. 500 over causeway and a medium right long, double apex. 300 causeway and a medium right long, double apex. 200. 100 medium right long, double apex. Up here. Medium right long. Perfect. Second apex. 3,000 medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 25 off. Medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 1,000 medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 700 medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 500 medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 300 medium left long, then hard right long downhill. 200. 100 medium left long, then hard right downhill. Medium left. Got a hard right downhill after this. Right here. 1,500 to finish. 15 to finish. 1,000 to finish. 700 to finish. 500 to finish. 300 to finish. 200. 100. Good, good.
Almost took out the fucking line sign.
Oh, yeah, good job, man.
We make it?
Yeah, about 30 or 35. Woo! That was a wet one.
Dude, we were at the mercy of the rain there at one time.
Oh, I know, man.
We were hydroplaning like crazy.